Let's be real, winter driving can be a nightmare. One minute you're cozy at home, the next you're facing a frozen windshield, a dead battery in the freezing cold, or your tires are spinning helplessly in a snowbank. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a safety issue. But what if you could be prepared for whatever old man winter throws your way? That's exactly what we're tackling today. We've compiled the ultimate list of winter warrior gear to keep you safe, warm, and moving. From getting your car started to keeping you cozy inside, we've got a variety of solutions for different needs and budgets. Let's dive into the top winter car essentials you need to see. First up, the absolute game changer, the WOLFBOX MV24 Jump Starter. Imagine this, it's freezing, your car battery is dead, and you're stranded. This compact powerhouse is your get-out-of-jail-free card. With a massive 24,000 mAh capacity and a crazy 4,000 amp peak current, it can jumpstart 12-volt gas or diesel engines up to 10 liters. But it's so much more than a jumper. It has a super clear HD LCD display so you always know its status. And get this, it charges your devices with a 65-watt USB-C port, meaning you can power a laptop in a pinch. It also has a super bright LED flashlight with SOS modes. The only downside is it's a bit heavier than some tiny power banks, but it makes up for it by being an all-in-one emergency lifesaver. It's perfect for anyone who travels long distances or just wants that ultimate peace of mind. Number 2. If you're serious about winter safety, your tires are the most important upgrade you can make. The NEXEN Winguard Winspike 3 is a top-tier performer. This isn't just any tire, it's certified with the 3 Peaks Mountain Snowflake symbol, meaning it's rigorously tested for severe snow service. Its directional tread pattern is designed like a chainsaw for snow and slush, actively evacuating water to prevent hydroplaning. With deep grooves and dense siping for extra bite on ice, this tire provides incredible grip. You can even add optional studs for ultimate ice performance. The only thing to note is it's a dedicated winter tire, so you'll need a second set of rims or seasonal swaps. This one is a no-brainer for anyone living in regions with harsh snowy winters where all-season tires just don't cut it. Now, maybe you don't need full-blown winter tires, but you still venture into snowy mountain passes. That's where the K&K Automotive snow socks come in. Think of these as a super tight fabric tire chain alternative. They're made from a super strong polyester material that gives you insane traction in snow. The biggest win? They're incredibly easy to put on, taking about 5 minutes, and they're legally accepted as traction devices in places like Colorado. They're safe for your tires, rims, and all your car's electronic systems. Plus, they're quiet and don't create that clunky chain vibration. The catch is they're designed primarily for snow, not sheer ice, and they can wear out if used on bare pavement. But for a quick, packable, and highly effective snow solution for your car, SUV, or truck, these are absolutely worth a look. Number 4. Stuck in deep snow, mud, or sand? The TRACGRABBER is your brute force solution. Made right here in the USA, this isn't a sock or a chain. It's a heavy-duty rubber strap with massive traction blocks. You simply secure one to each drive wheel, drive forward slowly, and the blocks engage to literally lift and push your vehicle out. They are ridiculously durable and can be used over and over again. They're specifically recommended for 2WD trucks and large SUVs with tires up to a 40-inch girth. The main thing is you have to install them before you're completely buried, at the first sign of a wheel spin. If you're an outdoor adventurer, a hunter, or just drive a big vehicle in unpredictable conditions, throwing these in your trunk is a brilliant move. Number 5. Why scrap ice when you can prevent it altogether? The DooGooCoo windshield snow cover is pure genius. This military-grade, waterproof cover fits sedans, SUVs, and trucks. You just unfold it and secure it over your windshield at night. Come morning, you simply pull it off, voila! A clear, ice-free windshield. It has high-visibility reflective strips for safety and folds into a tiny bag for easy storage. The only minor hassle is making sure it's on securely if it's super windy. But for saving you precious minutes on a cold morning and protecting your glass, this simple product is a total game changer for every single driver.
Number 6. Sometimes you need a trusty tool, and the AstroAI Extendable Snow Brush is a champion. This thing is a beast with a 4-row brush for fluffy snow and a wide, rugged scraper with ice chippers for the tough stuff. The aluminum pull extends from 36 inches to 47 inches, letting you easily reach the middle of your roof, and the head pivots a full 360 degrees to attack snow from any angle. The EVA foam grip is comfortable and non-slip. It even disassembles into 3 parts for compact storage. It's an incredibly versatile, no-nonsense tool that should be in every single car during the winter months. Number 7. Visibility is everything, and that's where the Gavimnal silicone wiper blades shine. While the specific fit is for certain Ford and Dodge models, the key takeaway is the material, silicone. Unlike standard rubber blades that can freeze and crack, silicone blades are built to last longer and perform better in extreme temperatures. They provide a smooth, streak-free wipe in rain, sleet, or snow.
Number 8. Let's talk about keeping you warm. The OCOOPA rechargeable hand warmers are a little piece of magic. These ultra-slim, pocket-sized warmers heat up to 126 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 seconds and have 3 adjustable settings. They're magnetic, so they can connect to form a double-sided warmer or split for each hand. With a 5,000 mAh battery, they'll last for hours and can even double as a phone power bank in a pinch. They're perfect not just for clearing off your car, but for waiting for the bus, skiing, or any outdoor winter activity. A must-have for anyone who feels the cold. Number 9. Now let's take the warmth inside your car. The Homemate heated throw blanket is a game changer for passengers or for warming up before you drive. This 50 by 60 inch flannel blanket has 10 heat levels and an 8-hour auto shutoff for safety. It's ETL certified, machine washable, and the cord is a generous 16 feet long, making it super flexible to use on the sofa or to wrap yourself in on the way to the ski lodge. If you have a long commute or just want the ultimate in cozy comfort, this heated blanket is a total luxury that's worth every penny. Finally, let's address that first shocking touch in a cold car, the steering wheel. The SEG Direct steering wheel cover solves this with style. This faux leather cover is designed for a standard 14.5 to 15-inch wheel and is surprisingly easy to install. It provides a soft, comfortable, and non-slip grip, absorbing hand sweat in the summer and preventing that freezing cold sting in the winter. It also protects your factory wheel from sun damage and wear. For a simple, inexpensive upgrade that dramatically improves your daily driving experience in every season, this is a fantastic pick. Wrapping it up, these top 10 winter car accessories cover everything from emergency jumps to cozy warmth, fitting various budgets and vehicles. If I had to pick the absolute best, it's the WOLFBOX MV24 Jump Starter. Its power and versatility make it a must-have for any winter kit. Grab what fits your needs, and once you try one, you won't go back. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more gear guides, and drop in the comments what's your go-to winter essential.